god, that building is so cool. There's just so much ivy. It's just such a wonderful backdrop. Oh god, what was that? It's a little bit hidden away, this bit. What do you reckon? Fall off? Oh, this is cool. Let's go and check out those monuments. There's like, oh, the Shakespeare monument. I don't know, I don't think this bit's very big. I've been in here once before. I like the way that just sits in the middle of these two like really tall trees. Oh, I think I saw another one of these like weird red trees around here. Yeah, there. That one down there. Let's go down here. I'm actually still stuck in the woods from the Green Bank video. I never made it out, so I'm just now living sort of off the land in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there it is. Even in the 16-bit colour that I'm convinced this phone operates in, that's still quite a nice orangey brown. There's a squirrel around here somewhere, I can hear it. I feel like the pet detective, but I'm doing it wrong. I think I just scare them all off. There's something moving there, look. It's like they're invisible. It's really weird. I think this just comes back out. Oh, maybe not. Oh, that's well cute. I'd never have known this existed. It's just like a little garden. Just hidden away. There's another bridge there. It's like outdoors ASMR. Except I'm just like making really loud noises. Can't believe I never knew this was here. Yeah, I can see another little monument, although it might be the same one actually. So I can't decide whether living in the country versus living in the city is better, because obviously in the city there's lots more stuff. I like the idea of being kind of anonymous in a city, because you don't have to kind of just make polite conversation with people in the street all day. You can just like sort of do whatever you want. You can just, well, everyone's just kind of ignores each other, but it's like, it's not rude, it's kind of just normal. Whereas like, if you're a bit tired and you don't want to deal with people, you're really introverted, then you don't have to kind of engage as much. But the countryside has loads of other benefits. I mean, sometimes it's nice as well, to kind of have that community, but I just don't always want it. Do you know what I mean? It's like a tropical palm tree or something like that. Yeah. It's like I've wandered into like the Aztecs. The collection of people, the Aztecs. Not... What is Aztec? Is it like a country or something? Like an ancient country? I'm going to do that thing where I say I'm going to add some detail to the video and then just like not do it. So the Aztecs, right? Did they have it right? Did they have the right idea? All I know about Aztec is that it's quite a cool word, and it used to be like one of the zones in the Crystal Maze. That it was like ancient. Oh, it's a weird head behind me. Might be another Shakespeare monument. Yeah, so, and also there was like loads of sand, and it felt like it was in the desert, so I want to say it was like maybe South America, Africa, Weymouth. It's something like that, and that. Just chilling with my friend here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them to sort of pick up that tree, just pop it in the back garden where I live. Really nice around here. Alright, fine, I'll go and see if there's a plaque. Yeah, there isn't a plaque, so it might be something to do with that thing that I read at the beginning, so maybe I should actually read it. Shakespeare Monument. Public holiday, Monday the 25th of April 1864. Was declared a public holiday in Bath. Oh, it's got a face on it. Can't tell if it's grumpy or zen. Maybe a bit of both. Don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty good though. I like how these branches are just on the floor now. So what other levels were there? Can't remember now. Or zones. There was like imperial. Is that a word? Industrial. Maybe it was industrial. It was like all industrial and stuff. Medieval. I think I quite like that one. Oh, and futuristic. No, that was the best one. There was that really weird. Yeah. Like sort of space mission. I reckon I would have been quite good on Crystal Maze because I'm quite good at sort of like, you know, problem solving and juggling crystals and that. Also, I'm not out of breath just from walking, right? It's just because I'm low on oxygen at the moment and I just happen to be moving quicker than normal, so and also I haven't done much exercise recently, but that's like completely unrelated. nice building up there. Perhaps I'll move there, rent a castle for, I don't know how much it is. By an ancient tree. Yeah, I'll probably move there when I've made it past. See, I checked earlier. I'm keeping a keen eye on it, right? I've now got a grand total of 3 subscribers, 2 of which were in the last day. So, I mean, you know, I'm basically there, aren't I? There it is. I think it's just volunteers that look after the grounds here every other Saturday, so they kind of keep it open. There's a walk that you can do to pick out kind of graves of interest, I suppose, of kind of important or historic people from the area. I actually forget the year, although I did losing my voice now. I did read about it. Oh look, there's like little bird houses. That's cool. Yeah, this is great, this place. Glad I had a look. It's just really, it's really cute because it's like a really small building. There's just so much ivy. It's being completely reclaimed. Yeah, can't go on there. But I haven't remembered the walk, so I'll have to put a link or something. I think places like this, I mean, it's really, apart from, you know, digging things up, archaeologists, detectorists. Oh, that's a good programme, isn't it? Apart from that kind of thing, that really is about as close as you can get to really seeing kind of time or, you know, things through the passage of time, I suppose, time travel. I've got to be careful here. Oh, this building. I think I'm going to have to draw this. And of course, for me, what's nice about this one is you don't have to walk very far. But that's only because I've got the sort of personal fitness level of like a small child that just kind of watches children's television all day and eats a lot of cheese. I don't even eat cheese, I don't know where that came from. I eat that like vegan cheese. But yeah, I eat that fake cheese. If only I'd given myself more time, I would have been able to. I mean, all the information's online, I suppose. 200 AD. So there must be. This is on ancient burial ground, then, is it? Sarcophagus is religious burial or something like that, isn't it? Oh, it's such a beautiful place. That's the money shot right there, isn't it? I love that I'm just going around places like this, just talking absolute shite. People who have knowledge of this place are just going to be disgusted. And there's just part of the top of the church missing there. The, what do they call it? The spire, or is that a word? No, there's some sort of jumper or something there. Let's continue the walk around. I'm sure I'm doing it backwards. Oh, now that's cool, isn't it? I think I want one like that. I don't know why I just go around filming graveyards at the moment and talking about how I'd like to be buried. It's almost as if it's a bit sort of self-fulfilling prophecy. Like, you've got to be careful what you wish for. God, that building is so cool. It's just got so much character, the way that nature has reclaimed this building. There's just something about it. You can see right up in there. All locked up. Looks like a... God, it looks like a face, doesn't it? That wasn't blasphemy. Technically, once again, I'm stood outside the church, so I don't think it's offensive to say God. Is it offensive? Okay, yeah. That's the stuff right there, isn't it? You know what I mean. It's this old crumbly brickwork. Broken headstone or slab, maybe? Okay, I don't know what that was. I need to get out of this bit. That's the inside. Yeah, it's lovely. It's a beautiful building. It's just such a wonderful backdrop. I sort of look a bit out of place, really, don't I? Should have worn a dirtier t-shirt or something. It's pretty unusual for me to find, you know, find clean clothes and stuff. Or white clothes, anyway. Oh God, what was that? Oh God, let's get out of here. What do you want? I've got money. Actually, oh no, I've just remembered I'm poor. No, get off. No, not the neck. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh no, this is it. Oh God, I'm dead. Oh, that's what I get for being stupid. Just got stung again by a stinging nettle. I'll add that to the list of injuries that I've acquired recently. Right, let's get out of here. Let's get back into the land of chaos. So yeah, I mean that's probably it really. I'll just have a look and see what's down here. Yeah, I think I started off the channel as I was going to just do like loads of different things, and now basically every video is like, check out this church that hasn't been open for 80 years. I think that one is 1807, around that kind of time. I'll have to double check. Georgian. I'm not sure what this bit is though. I think it sort of extends a bit further into this other area here, and then there's another church. Really don't know. All I know is that I can. Oh, that's private. So that's going to do it for this one, folks. All three of you. I don't even know who you are. I'm pretty sure at least two of them are me. Might have found my favourite tree. Well, contender anyway. It's like a Christmas tree.